Welcome back again to my YouTube channel. It's Sonia Onoja. In this video today, I'm going to be teaching you how to turn your Facebook page to the one you can actually make money. So if you have a Facebook profile and you don't want to create another page because you have a lot of followers and engagement, just do this thing immediately and this is going to save you a whole lot. This will actually still help you get monetized on your Facebook. So the first thing you need to do is to go to your Facebook like this, just the same way I am here. So you're going to click on this place. Once you click on your profile, just where I clicked, you can see that it's showing 3.70 friends, blah, blah, blah. Automatically, this thing is not yet. You cannot monetize as it is like this. This is just a normal Facebook profile. Okay. So now you click on this three dot line. If you click on this three dot line, then you are going to see following settings, profile status, meta verified, achievers, view as, log profile, activities log, manage post, view post and tag, privacy, and search, turn on professional mode, create another profile, share profile, and copy profile link. So you need to click on this turn on professional mode. If you click on turn on professional mode, the next thing you need to do is to turn it on. You can see that mine is off. That's to say, even if I have meet all the criteria on Facebook, I can't make money. So you're going to wait for it just exactly the same way it's rolling. You can also take your time to read all of those stuff before you click on turn on professional mode as well. And then you're going to be seeing all of these things for you to be able to see like this, all of these things. Okay, so you can see this is the achievement level, blah blah blah. So since I have a page, I just abandoned this one, but right now my professional mode is turned on. You can see that your profile now has the professional mode turned on. Go to professional mode guide so that you can actually go there and see all the rules and regulations that is stated there for you. So if your Facebook is now turned, you have to now update it, and you're going to be seeing, you can see that right now my followers have increased to 4.2k followers and I'm following 159. And then you can see your dashboard from there. You can see right now this is my dashboard. So the more I keep posting, you'll be seeing everything here. You can see the monetization. So these are the things that will be monetized: my stars, add-on reels, bonus, in-stream, and subscriptions. So you now have to click to see if you've met up to anyone. But as a new professional page that just changed, they will tell you that availability is going to be cancelled. Before you're going to be seeing your availability, you're going to be seeing it for after 24 hours. Okay, that's when you're going to be seeing it. But right now, like this, your videos on this particular profile now can make money on Facebook. If you have any questions, let me know in the comment section. Okay, so for my own end, let me show you guys my page because I have a page. So I just want to show you guys how to turn professional mode into a page so I can start making money. So this is my page, and if I click here and then I go to my dashboard, you're going to be seeing that my page is a whole lot of different when it comes to my this because I've been posting on my page consistently, and you can see subscription, in-stream, live, and every other stuff. If I click on in-stream, it's going to also show you that, oh, you reside in an eligible country, you follow Facebook monetization policy, this is the amount of subscribers that you have, this is the eligible minutes that you have, and the rest of that. So you're going to be seeing all of that here. I hope this video is able to help someone. If it does, don't forget to subscribe, like this video, drop me a comment, and lastly, do not forget to share. Start making money on Facebook and thank me later. Bye. I love you guys. Mwah.